special stuff here, not just the usual landmarks. I have plans to visit some restaurants, so I definitely stay tuned. I will give you some tips where to eat, where to drink. So let's go and explore. El Mercato di Centrale in Rome is a place where you can get different food during the whole day. I am having this special pizza for breakfast. If you are here in Rome, I'd recommend to come to Mercato Termini. It's next to train station. It's actually in the same building, and they have lots of amazing food here, or drinks, coffee, snacks, whatever you want. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's delicious. Amazing. We are going to try Galeto and Luciano. Check these cakes. I got pistachio cheesecake and it's actually delicious. This is one of the traditional restaurant passateria here in Rome. You can have a pasta, pizza, ice cream. I'm actually going to try gelato here. They have some sweets as well. I'm having pistachio again, and it's delicious. Definitely recommend to come here and try it. We are at San Estacio cafeteria and going to try some coffee and tea, croissant. We found a really nice, typical Italian restaurant in Trastevere. We are starting with some starters and drinks, of course. It smells delicious. This restaurant is really nice. Typical Italian. As a main course, we are having pasta, of course, and it looks delicious. We are already full from our starters, but let's try it. I can hungry person recommend this restaurant, Trattoria di Teo. It's amazing. You can see it's packed even inside. It's full. But we have the best food. Absolutely delicious. Ciao!
Ti guardavo, no, vabbè, non c'è dopo l'aperitivo, ma se no dillo, se puoi venire.
If you are looking for some not that busy part of Rome or not that touristy, I definitely recommend to come to Trastevere. You will have amazing food here, some special drinks, everything what you need, and it's not that busy, not that touristy. You will see lots of local eat here or drinks here, and it's so lovely. It's walkable, you can walk around, there is plenty of restaurants or bar or snack bar, whatever you want. Definitely must come here.